So hey guys, happy Saturday. Why I'm so dark? So today Liza is coming here in Canada. So susunduin namin siya guys. We're going to pick her in the airport and then we're going to have some dinner first outside before we go to the airport. Alright, so see you later guys. Alright, so we're going to have like dinner first guys in a Toro Sushi restaurant because we're so hungry. So yeah, and then after that we're going to pick Ate Liza in the airport. Okay, so yeah. Alright, see you later guys. With the selfie, Angel, you look at there, in the middle. I see that. So we're having dinner now here guys in Toro Sushi. DC. Angel, look at me. Hungry girl. Like I'm trying so hard not to scream right now. My day is your bento box here too.
Told you. And chicken teriyaki bento. Thank you. And tempura spicy gobi bento.
Yes, yeah, that's mine.
And your Toso bibimbap is coming soon.
Thank you. Oh, Angel, look at
I
that.
don't think this is enough.
See, this is the sashimi.
Take pictures of them. Angel is so hungry. Angel.
I only got 3 sushi rolls with the bento box. Hey!
Is that enough? It's good. Look at that, so fresh.
Here's your wasabi.
This is my food, guys. So yummy. I'll do like this. Sardine.
Fried dumpling, Angel?
Food and butter. Stop. You were like.
Oh, you like my sound effects?
This is her after we ate, guys. We're so full. This happened. We're just full now. She's dancing. So we're full now, guys. We're heading to Toronto now, airport. Toronto, guys. Toronto's shopping 401 East at night, September 14. It's not bad. Traffic is not bad. It's the biggest highway in in Canada. 401. Canada, Ate Liza. Take
Ako
picture.
ba dyan? No, Mom. Either, but I'm done.
Okay, let's go. No. Angel. She needs to go to the washroom. Eliza! Welcome to Canada, Eliza! You go with them. Ate Liza, yung sa harap. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Alright, there you go. And welcome to Canada, Ate Liza. Finally, nasa Canada na. Okay, Liza is here in Canada now. Finally. Yeah, so this is now like going to... we're going to parking. Yeah. So Liza is here already. There you go. So, are you tired? Are you tired? Oh, yeah, she's tired, she said. So, but you know, it's... Are you hungry? No, okay. So yeah, we're going to the parking now. So yeah, Liza finally... Now she's in Canada. Before she's like only in Iloilo, in Pavia. Now she's here in Toronto. Yay! At least you survived. At least you survived in your trip.
Kapagod nga.
Yeah. At least you did it.
Are you there for a sip? She finished the whole thing.
Gutom.
It's okay.
Gutom. But at least, ayan, Liza, yung Toronto. Ayan, airport.
The city.
Yeah.
The six. That's what they call it. We're actually above the century.
Okay, so nag-drive-through muna kami dito sa Tim Hortons, guys, bago kami mag-drive sa 401 highway pa uwi. Kasi it will take 2 hours more drive. So yeah, we need to have some drinks. Okay, Tim Hortons.
Do you think there's still traffic? Thank you for the
No, I don't think.
Oh, thank you.
Yan, pauwi na kami, guys. Eto, nasa 401 ulit. Yan, 401, guys. Hindi na masyadong traffic.
So it's not even congested anymore.
Yeah, unlike before, it's like very congested. So, yeah. It's 401. And this is where we stop, right?
Yeah, over there, yeah.
Yeah. Windshield is dirty. See you in the house, guys. See you at Bilbao. Okay, so we're here in an on-road, guys. Port Hope. Like Liza needs to pee.
Didn't work though.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, November. What do you want? Yeah. Angel is going to gift it you.
Wow.
Okay, let's go now. We're going home now. We just pee. No, I think we're good. Okay, we're going home now because we just pee. Then we're like going back home now. It's another 1 hour, Liza. So, andito na kami guys sa bahay. Ayan, itutur ko na si Liza doon sa kwarto niya. So, ayan, ito yung kwarto ni Angel. Angel, show Ate Liza your room. Angel. Angel, anak. Show Ate Liza your room. It's alright. She will see it eventually.
Wow. Okay.
Okay. Okay, tapos ito yung washing machine at saka dryer. Ayan, Liza's pasalubong. Oh my, Liza's pasalubong. Pulburon.
Ano to? Ang ginagawa niya to, sabi niya dalhin ko tapos kung mag-snow daw, ipakita ko, ipipicturean ko daw para yung kanyang
Business.
oo, nasa snow na.
Alright, yeah. Okay, so itabi mo muna. No, I mean itabi mo lang dyan. Huwag mo na, oo. Okay, there you go.
Pero nabuksan niya.
Nabuksan? Ilagay mo sa rep. Ilagay sa rep para hindi mano. Okay, kasi naging bulky siya eh. Alright. Tanggalin mo na yung mga damit mo muna. Lago yan?
Andiyan, lago.
Oh, so ilagay mo dun sa ano. Ayan, nandito na si Liza sa bahay niya. Sa kwarto niya ngayon. Nandito na. Ayan si Angel. Ayan, nandito na.
This is my house too now.
Yeah. Ayan, nandito na siya. Ayan.
Feeling.
Ayan, andyan na. O, diba?
Sabi, masisira na yan.
Ayan. Masisira na yun, tapos hindi pa rin niya iniwan talaga dun eh. Asa daw.
Kaya yung hindi pa yan sira na, sabi si Papa, hiramin ko yan nak. Ayaw.
Sa bahay na kami guys. So matutulog na kami guys. Good night. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.